Hi there, we'll walk you through the CS Cart AI reporting. With Gemini and OpenAI help understand questions better. Also, admin can see the query of their orders and customers. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore the number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. So first of all, click on Add-on, then click on Webkul Software Private Limited. You will get this add-on NLP to SQL. In admin panel we have 4 fields. The first is the base URL, where we need to pass the base URL. Then we have a token field where we need to pass token. Then a prefix field where we need to pass the prefix. And this prefix will be used for the newly created schemas from which vendor and admin will ask questions. Then here we have 2 buttons, sync schema and delete schema. Delete schema will delete all the pre-existing schemas, and sync schema will sync the CS Cart database to a newly created schema from which vendor and admin will query. So now let us see the working of this add-on. So from admin panel or on vendor panel, I can ask very simple questions or day-to-day life questions like show me list of products with price more than 30 and quantity less than 10. So it will give me list of all the products with price more than 30 and quantity less than 10. Similarly, I can also ask it questions regarding orders, like show me all the orders with total more than 500. So here I will get all the orders with price more than 500. Apart from this, I can also ask a question regarding vendors. And for the customer, and I can also put my query regarding reviews like I can. So this will give me a list of all the reviews. The same thing can be done from vendor panel. Let us see it. Show me all the products with more than 100. This will give me list of all the products with price more than 100. Now let us see the working of this add-on. On admin panel or on vendor panel, using this search field, I can pass day-to-day life queries and will get the data accordingly. Like on admin panel, I can pass a simple questions related to product, like show me all the products with price more than 30 and quantity less than 10. This will give me the list of all the products with price more than 30 and quantity less than 10. Similar questions I can pass on vendor panel as well. This will also give me the list of all the products with price more than 30 and quantity less than 10. Apart from this, I can also enter queries related to orders. For example, I can request, show me all the reviews, to get a complete list of reviews. This will display all the reviews available. In addition, I can run queries related to customers. I will get a list of all customers, and if I want to see the list of all vendors, I can do that as well. This query will return the list of all vendors present in the admin panel. So, this is all about how the add-on works. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com. or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.